Hello friends, it's Goose here with another video, a different video today. If you don't already know, I have a MKV Supra and I have already done a bunch of work to it, and any more modifications I do, I'm going to be documenting for this channel. I also have a ZX6R, so if you're interested in either of those, make sure you are subscribed for future videos. I am going to be sharing with you guys my love of cars and bikes more on this channel because this channel is just a collection of things I like. Thanks to Armaspeed, we have a bunch of new carbon fiber pieces to add to the car today. I'm super excited. Thank you to them for reaching out. If you aren't familiar, they have super high quality real carbon fiber pieces. I have about half of their Aero kits for my Supra. I already had a wing and lip installed, so I will be instead adding on their side skirts, and then I have 2 pieces for the rear diffuser. I'll leave a link in the description to their website if you guys are interested. I've already gone ahead and prepped the car, meaning I cleaned off all of the surfaces, the car and the carbon pieces, with isopropyl alcohol. And we're going to be installing using 3M double-sided tape. I just got the car wrapped, so if you guys like the color, let me know. It's 3M's Fierce Fuchsia. I'm absolutely in love with it. The car came stock white, which loved the white, but I've had it for a year now. I've wanted to wrap it this whole time, and I think it turned out really good. It's still a work in progress, but I'm super excited. I redid the whole garage. It's not totally done yet, but we got up cool hexagon lights and we have floor tiles down. We repainted all the walls, tore out cabinets. Yeah, it's like a total mess of everything in front of me, but this looks okay. And now for the Supra reveal. She looks so good. You can see, if you know what a stock Supra looks like, I have obviously done a lot. We already have the lip on here, a carbon fiber hood. I swapped out the logos. They were like a chrome, and I hate chrome, so now they're matte and gloss black. Wheels are stock. We have mirror caps, obviously the whole wrap. I have a wing on here, and then my exhaust system, which is Valvetronic. It sounds incredible. She is a 3.0 Premium 2023, pushing over 500 horsepower. I also have a Stage 2 tune. The next thing I'm wanting to get is the Armaspeed cold air intake. So hopefully the next time I post a Supra related video, it's me installing that. The first step is going to be cleaning the surfaces with isopropyl alcohol. You're gonna put this on the car itself as well as the carbon fiber pieces. This will help make sure that there is no dirt or residue that is going to mess up the stickiness of the tape. I've got the carbon piece right here with the tape already on it. Here, for reference, they only gave me 3 small pieces of tape, so I didn't have enough to go everywhere, but this is really sticky 3M tape, so I'm not too worried about it. Just to line up about where it's gonna be. And we remove the backings. And we are ready to go. Let's hope I don't mess this up. Firmly pressing. If this fell off, I would cry. Yeah, I would cry. You probably can't even see it over my legs. And voila! I think this looks so awesome. I love that I'm getting more carbon fiber to tie in with all the big pieces that I already have. I think that this looks so nice. And now we have 2 more pieces to put on. And next piece we have all taped up. I'm honestly really loving how this is turning out, and I love how it says Armaspeed here on the side. I think that this is such a cool little detail, and you know it's genuine carbon. Time for the last piece. This is where I have put all of the tape. Just gonna visualize where it is before I peel this tape up and it is too late to move. This is gonna look so good. And we are good to go for the final piece. I'll say for me, this last rear diffuser part was the hardest to put on. It's the biggest piece and there's most like things that it has to go around. I really wanted it perfect. Hopefully it's even on both sides. Here we are. I think I did a pretty decent job. It's already done on this side. I'm obsessed. It covers up the fact that my exhaust had actually burnt through the plastic here when it was first put on. I think that this looks so good. Again, a special thank you to Armaspeed for reaching out to me to make this video. I'm obsessed. I hope that you guys are also obsessed. I'll leave a link to the exact aero kit that this is if you have a Supra and you want to buy it. Or maybe you already have a Supra and you already have the kit and you're using this to help you install. Hopefully I did a good enough job. I am going to avoid driving for at least 24 hours. I really want this tape to stick. I don't want anything getting in the way and ruining it. I want this to last forever. But after I know that everything is all done and set, we're gonna get some clips with this baby pulled out of the garage. Okay, it's been a couple of days. I let it sit for over 24 hours and I took it for a drive to the gym and back and everything held up perfectly. I'm gonna get a few clips now of it outside and we'll do some revving with the exhaust. That's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already at Games by Goose or at goose.speed for my car and bike page. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.